Hello guys and welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Roblox support ticket. So if you just recently submitted a request form or a support form on Roblox, then you will be able to receive a support ticket via your mailbox. So let's just open up our mailbox here. So I'll be showing you our support ticket here. So as you can see, I have the Roblox support section there. So let's just go ahead and open that up. As you can see, by default, this is the Roblox support ticket that we'll be receiving. So it's going to contain some of your information as well as the reference number for your support. So the only thing that you have to do here is you just need to wait for your account to be transferred to a real person or a support person on Roblox. So once your ticket has been passed to a support personnel on Roblox, they'll be able to contact you via your reference number there. So you just need to wait a few hours or even a few days for them to reply to you, and they'll be giving you instructions on how to actually solve your issue. So if you want to contact Roblox again, they'll be sometimes asking you if you already have a reference number for your request. So the thing here is you just need to provide a number if you want to contact them again, and from there they'll be able to continue your ticket and look on it further. So the only thing that you need to do here is you just need to wait for Roblox support to contact you again and give you details on how you could actually fix your problem, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.